Welcome. In this video we will see setting up Kali Linux in VirtualBox. First go to official VirtualBox website and download VirtualBox according to your operating system and bits of your computer. Most of the time the bits is 64 bits nowadays. I will not cover installing VirtualBox as it is so simple. Just double click and install it. I'll start in this video from installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox. First open VirtualBox and click on New and give name as Kali Linux or any other extension, like I'm writing here Kali Linux OS, and select version as Debian 64-bit, or you can even choose any other version and click on next. Write recommended memory size as 2 GB. Select create a virtual hard drive now. Select second option virtual machine disk and click on next. Select dynamically allocated. Change VirtualBox hard drive size to 40 GB and click OK. Now go to settings and systems. Make sure it is 2048 MB and display change it to 128 MB. Now go to storage and select the ISO file which you have downloaded before. Choose a virtual CD disk or file and select Kali Linux ISO file and click on OK. Now start the virtual machine which you had created right now. Just hit on OK for whatever it asks. Don't waste your time reading it. Click on Continue. In boot menu of Kali Linux, go to Graphical Install and press Enter. I'll switch myself to full screen as I feel comfortable with full screen. Let it take time to boot up. I'll select my language as English and click on Continue. I'm from India, so I will select India. The key map I want is American English. It is detecting and mounting the ISO file. It will take lots of time, so I will fast forward this video. It is asking to configure network. Right now we don't need any such kind of network address or server address, so I will leave it blank and click on Continue. The domain name also we don't need it, so I will leave it blank and press on Continue. I will set my root password as TOR, that is TOOR. I will again verify it. It is loading additional components. I will use guided use entire disk and click on Continue. The 42 GB which I had allocated while creating virtual machine. So I'll select it and press on Continue. In partition, you can choose 3 different options here. but I will recommend you to select all files in one partition, which is recommended for new users. Selecting all files in one partition, I'll click on continue. So this is the partition, how it looks. 41 GB for extension and 2 GB for swap. Now I will select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and hit on continue. It asks again permission, so select yes and click on continue. The partition formatting starts. System installation started. Installing the system takes lots of time, so I will fast forward this video. After installation, it asks if you want to use network mirror or not. The network mirror is online connection link using which you can add few more updates. In scope of this tutorial, we don't need any update, so I'll select on no and click on continue. Package configuration takes lots of time, so I will again forward this video. It will take lots of time to configure the package manager. Be patient and wait until it configures. The configuration is over. Now I have to select the option for install the grub bootloader to the master boot record. The setup didn't found any other operating system, so it is asking to make this operating system master boot. So I'll select it as yes and click on continue. Installing grub bootloader takes lots of time, so I will fast forward this video. Installation is complete. It is asking to remove CD-ROM. No need to take any action, just click on continue. Finishing the installation. It will again take lots of time, so I will again forward this video. After completion, it will open with welcome to grub. The operating system will load up, that is Kali Linux. Choose first option. Second option is recovery option. You have to use it when the system crashes. Decompressing Linux. Booting the kernel. It will take few seconds for Kali Linux to load up. I will select other and write username as root and password as tor, which I had set it up before. So now we have successfully installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox and Kali Linux is running now. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.